Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P0777 indicates an issue with the automatic transmission AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This specific solenoid valve is crucial for controlling the hydraulic pressure applied to the clutch packs in the transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts. When this solenoid is stuck on, it causes the vehicle to enter a fail-safe mode, whereby it will default to allowing shifting only between third and sixth gears. This can significantly impede the driver's ability to accelerate effectively, as the transmission becomes limited in its operation. In practice, the solenoid is located within the transmission's valve body assembly, which services various transmission functions. Proper identification of this code and the underlying problem is essential for effective repairs, ensuring the vehicle returns to optimal performance. The error description for DTC P0777 highlights its impact on the transmission system, specifically focusing on the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B. This valve plays an integral role in managing the hydraulic pressure needed for clutch engagement, thereby facilitating proper gear changes. When this solenoid malfunctions or becomes stuck in an on state, the result is affected clutch performance, preventing shifts to any gears other than third or sixth. This limitation is part of the fail-safe features built into the transmission control strategy, designed to protect the vehicle from further complications. The solenoid itself is situated within the valve body of the transmission, an area that serves as the control center for shifting operations. Addressing this DTC promptly is vital to restoring normal transmission functionality and ensuring vehicle safety on the road. Several potential causes can lead to the P0777 DTC being triggered. One of the most common issues is a faulty AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B itself. If the solenoid fails, it may get stuck either in an on or off position, affecting fluid flow and pressure. Another significant cause is contaminated transmission fluid. Dirt and generalized wear can lead to the degradation of hydraulic performance. If metal debris or excessive clutch material is found in the transmission strainer, this can indicate internal wear or failure, necessitating attention. Moreover, fluid level imbalances or incorrect fluid could exacerbate these issues. Identifying these causes is crucial before proceeding with repairs, as each may influence the required corrective action on the transmission. Drivers experiencing the P0777 DTC may notice several symptoms associated with transmission dysfunction. The most prominent is a limitation in gear shifting, with the vehicle unable to shift beyond third or sixth gear, which can hinder acceleration. Additionally, harsh or jarring shifts can occur when attempting to change gears, indicating improper hydraulic pressure regulation. Often, the transmission control module assigns warning lights on the dashboard, alerting the driver of a malfunction within the transmission system. These symptoms are not only inconvenient, but potentially hazardous, as they can lead to exacerbated wear or catastrophic failure of the transmission if left unresolved. Noticing these signs early can be crucial for preventing more extensive and costly repairs down the line. The first troubleshooting step when diagnosing DTC P0777 involves ensuring the engine is warm, reaching normal operating temperature, which allows the transmission fluid to properly circulate. Subsequently, the technician must verify that the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, is filled to the correct level. Inadequate ATF can lead to various transmission issues. The technician should also check for any leaks that may indicate a problem with the ATF system. After confirming the fluid level, it is essential to drain the ATF through a strainer. Inspecting the strainer for metal debris or excessive clutch material provides critical insight into the condition of the transmission. If there is any sign of metal or clutch wear, it suggests potential internal failure, and the recommended action would be to replace the transmission. However, if the strainer is clean, the next step would involve changing the ATF before proceeding further in the diagnostics. For the second troubleshooting step, begin by pressing the engine start-stop button to place the vehicle into the on mode. This action prepares the system for diagnostic procedures. Next, it is critical to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, an essential step that resets the system and allows fresh data to be gathered when the engine restarts. After clearing the code, the technician should start the engine while keeping the brake pedal pressed. This setup allows monitoring the system behavior under controlled conditions. Then, shift to drive, D, and check parameters using the HDS, focusing on signals from the 3rd and 6th pressure switches. If the 6th pressure switch activates momentarily, followed by a harsh engagement from the 3rd pressure switch, this indicates that the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B is faulty and will necessitate further repairs. If no such behavior occurs, it could signal an intermittent failure, suggesting the system may be operating correctly at that moment. After repairs have been conducted on the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B, it is imperative to conduct a thorough final repair verification. Utilizing the HDS once again, verify that no new or persistent diagnostic trouble codes appear after the repair. This step confirms that the malfunction has been resolved. Additionally, the technician should assess if the vehicle is achieving normal shifting behavior across all gears, not limited to just 3rd and 6th. Observing smooth transitions without harsh shifts is crucial for confirming that the repair was successful. Testing drives can provide further confirmation of functionality under varied conditions. This final step solidifies the reliability of the repair and ensures that the vehicle is ready for safe operation on the road. Preventive maintenance is essential for maintaining the transmission's health and avoiding issues like DTC P0777 in the future. One of the best practices is to establish a schedule for regular transmission fluid changes, adhering to the manufacturer's recommendations. Clean fluid is critical for preventing contamination that can lead to solenoid and clutch damage. Moreover, regularly checking for fluid leaks can help catch problems early before they escalate into more significant issues that require costly repairs. It is also beneficial to monitor the overall performance of the transmission during routine inspections, ensuring that gear shifts remain smooth and without delay or harshness. Engaging in these maintenance activities not only enhances the longevity of the transmission, but also contributes to the overall safety and performance of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0777 is vital for any technician or owner dealing with a Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. This specific diagnostic trouble code indicates a significant issue with the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B, impacting the vehicle's transmission, fluid operation, and overall performance. Timely diagnosis and repair are crucial to prevent escalation to more severe transmission failures that could result in costly repairs or safety hazards. Utilizing the provided troubleshooting steps offers a structured approach to diagnosing the issue effectively. Emphasizing preventive maintenance can further aid in safeguarding the transmission from future malfunctions, ensuring long-term vehicle reliability. Ultimately, being informed about this DTC empowers Honda Accord owners and service technicians to take proactive measures for vehicle care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.